Hi, in this video, we'll discuss how to design the table. Okay, so here I have mentioned I have created one table. Now I'm to select this table and to make design. Okay, so I'm going to select the table. I'm going to design. Okay, so here if you see under the table styles, under the table styles, design table or through table styles. Okay, so I'm just selecting it here and I'm going to design and select anyone, first one. Let's see how it's happened. Okay, so design table and I can select anything. See, the design itself got changed, which is easy, no need to put an extra effort. The Microsoft Word is having itself the best feature. You can use this, go to here, select anything you like. Wow, it's super beautiful. You want to change anything, you want different design. Okay, you want to like color. Okay, you want to change color, just select like white and little blue. It's very decent color. You want to change it the other style, go to again design, change it, you can change it. Okay, so there are different sections are there. Okay, under design there are different templates are there which you can use. Example, you want to make it like this, first color is header and column. The heading section it's in different color, other section different color. You can use, you don't like this color, yellow color, you want to make a different color. Go to design and select that, also you can do it. You want to, no, you don't like other color, you want to keep it now simple. This example, see here, now keep it here like this, that also you can make it. Okay, so through table styles you can use uh, different section. Okay, you want to define on your modify table style, you can select modify table style. You can define on your own also. Okay, what color size look like, what color you want to make it, everything you can define on your own, whether apply command to entire table. Okay, what color you can define your own color, you can define your own uh, line. Okay, what is the length of the border. Okay, and you can make it on your own this style also. Okay, so this is a very beautiful document which is beautiful feature which is available in that uh, design tab of table styles, to create such a beautiful tables in the MNS Word. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you.